I'm going to now go under effects, all right? And I'm going to go under effects, and then there are multiple different effects. Look at the ones on the bottom there. I'm going to try and see what all of these mean. Look at my eyes.
See how fun it is? Oh.
Look at my face. Okay. So you have different options on the bottom, right, guys? So you have that, you have transitions, you actually have all these different options. So you have even a split option. I'm going to look at that, and I'm going to see how the split one's going to work. Maybe I can do this one. But it's asking me to choose a area where I do that. So now that I've chosen an area, I'm going to drag any part of the video. I'm not seeing it actually work, but.
Which split option do you have?
I have all these split options on the bottom. Do you see?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Okay. I'm going to click on that, but what is happening is that it's not.
Hold. You gotta hold it.
Okay, so I'm going to hold it. Ooh, I like it. I really like it. Okay, so this is really going to be a great video. I'm so excited right now. All right, so I did this. Read it. Okay, watch it, guys. I'm gonna split option that one too. Okay. I'm going to go back to effects. Everybody, I'm going to go back to effects. You just have to play with this. This is what I'm realizing. You just have to play with it, and you just have to have fun. So there was another option where I was starting dancing again. So in the dancing option, I'm going to make it like a different filter almost, or transition. So I'm going to make it okay, so right in here. And then I'm going to do, you guys are having a great time with this, aren't you?
It's so fun.
Okay. Give me 1 second. And then this one, I don't know what I did there. I think I did scroll. Okay, I don't want to. So I can reverse it. Oh, this is so much fun. This is going to be really bad for me. This is really, really
You will fall down the rabbit hole.
Watch it, guys. I think I hated that part, so I'm going to switch it. Okay. I'm going to go back to effects. So everybody who's watching me, I'm going to go back to effects, and then it shows me what I have chosen, right? Like it shows me. So if I wanted to get rid of something, I can actually get rid of it. So I'm in here right now. And if you see this little button over here, you see that little button right there that looks like a reverse. It is a reverse sign. So I can go in here and I can actually reverse whatever it is that I have chosen. So if I wanted to change it up, I can. If I wanted to add another filter, that I can. Now there is transition. There is also split. When I go in the split one is the one that I became from 1 screen to 4 screen. So that's how we are going to do that, different things. And I'm going to try and I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go to reverse. So I just reversed it. Okay, my ending really sucks. So what I'm going to do is I want to trim it now. So I'm going to click on trim on the top, right? No, not on the top. The top is to adjust the sound.
Sound. Yeah. It's adjust clip, I believe it's under.
How do I trim the video?
There should be an option on the right-hand side on the top called adjust clip.
Okay, so there is an option called adjust clip. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, it removed my filter.
So, Minal, the video itself is very finicky. You have to be happy with your staging, your framing, all of that, and then do the bells and whistles.
Mhm.
Does that make sense? So you need to have the basis put together and then go for the, make sure you do all your video editing, because at that point, when it starts adding filters and all of these crop options and bells and whistles, at that point, if you want to change your video, you're going to end up changing all of it.
Everything, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I just saved it. Now we do have some questions coming. So I'm just gonna go on next. All right, so everybody who did that, did you see how I made that video? It was super simple. And I know that we had this here, so we have lots of questions coming. I want to take a few minutes to answer those questions right now. Some of the first questions that we have coming in is better on cell or laptop. We said you always want to do a TikTok video actually on your laptop, not laptop, on your phone, sorry. On your phone, because it's just a phone app. So that's what you need to do. Mine's still loading, slow internet, I get it. I need those great assistants. Oh, well, they're here and they're amazing. They're on my team and they make me do all this awesome stuff. I just learned how to talk with you. I'm trying to do text like that guy in the Scrubs, where the text kept being added with his direction. I can't figure it out. What is the answer to that?
So that's where the set duration comes in. Yeah, it's very important.
So if you guys remember, there was a text option on the bottom. So you had the video on the bottom with the text option. When you do the text option, hold on to the text. So when the text shows up and you hold on to the text, it's going to give you a duration. And now you can actually add that text whichever way you want. I think their question was in his direction. Was this text like in different directions?
Yeah, you can move it with your fingers.
Oh, yeah. So move it with your fingers. So if you want your text to change from horizontal to vertical, just move it with your fingers. That's as simple as that is. Wow. Can I start a video and add my friend at a different location? Yes, that's called the duet. Correct?
So the duet is when a video has already been posted to TikTok.
Yeah. Okay, so they're saying, can I start a video and add my friend at a different location? Is that possible?
No, it's not like...
No, so we can't do that. But what you can do is you can record a video, post it on TikTok, and they can reply with a duet.
So I have a great example, Minal. So I did this where I slapped the side of the screen, right? So that my BFF could duet it for me. And this is what it ended up looking like we're slapping hands.
Ah.
Does that make sense now?
Right, but in order for you to have somebody else be on the video with you, you first have to actually
have to have it recorded,
upload it to TikTok, and then tell that person to come on and do a duet back. Obviously, we can upload to the other platforms like Facebook and Instagram, and should we? Yes, you should upload them. So when you go to this end screen, right? So I am on my end screen right now with my video, and you see on the bottom, it gives me an option to actually go ahead and put it on Instagram. But before that, it also gives me an option that says save to device. Now, because I can save to device, it's on my phone, and now I could share it on all the other platforms. Should you share videos? I think you should share videos. Absolutely, you should share videos, because videos are the #1 trending piece of content available right now. So yes, you should share videos.